Hello again and welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss about the art of lockpicking. So the first thing that we should learn is the basic lockpick. Okay, so we will hack this basic lock. Okay, and I will explain step by step so that you will also apply it to your home. So please don't do this for illegal purposes because of course it's bad. So only use this for emergency purposes when, for example, uh, you lock your house and you forgot the key inside. Then at least you know how to solve the problem. So in here, we're not just hacking the digital part of the cybersecurity, but or the cyberspace, but also the physical. So we will tackle also the code lock and the doorknob lock and so on. So here, the basic. So let's get started. So what are the tools that we need here? So here are the tools that uh, I will be using here. This is a lockpick set that you can also buy in Lazada. However, this is not really uh, the requirement because you can also do this, the basic lock picking of this kind of locks that you frequently seeing in the market. You can lock pick or you can hack this lock by just a hairpin or any uh, or any stick that is very small or and have a strong hold. Okay, so like a hairpin, a metal stick, or what? So bendable metal stick. So there's a lot of alternatives here. So if you don't have money to buy this kind of tools, then you don't have to worry. Okay, so let's start. So in here, I bought a transparent lock in order to teach uh, what is inside of this basic lock. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the basic lock. Okay, so after observing uh, the lock or the basic lock, our goal here is, as you can see here, the sticks, the small sticks here, there are gold. Okay, there are gold bars here, as you can see, and we must straighten those gold bars, so it must be in the same height. Okay, so how can we do that? So I will do that here afterwards after explaining the tools. So in the tool set, what we will be using is two metal sticks. So the one is this, and the other one is this. Okay, so what's the use of these two metals? As you can see here, there's a hole here And in lock picking, we must move it, okay, in order to unlock it, just like a key, right? And this metal here that is with a curve of 9, uh, with a curve of square like, this is for the moving of the lock. So if we unlock this, if so the first step here is to straighten or to make these gold bars in the same height. Okay, so this another tool here, the another metal here, that's the job of this metal, to straighten. Okay, while holding like this the turner. Okay, so after straightening these gold bars, I must turn the lever. Okay, so that's the steps. Okay, so it's very simple. So after putting the lever here, make sure that you can move it. While this is locked, you can't move it fully, but when you put it inside, it must be like this. So now our goal here is to straighten the gold bars. As you can see here, I'm pushing one by one the gold bars here until I make it in the same height. We must observe the gold bars here. If there is, but of course in real life you will not you cannot observe this. That's why it's a good practice to have this kind of transparent lock. Okay, after those kind of picking, if you after picking those gold bars, then always turn the lever in case that it is within the same height already. And after that, it's unlocked. Okay, so in here, after practicing with these gold bars inside, we must now practice the steps of what if you cannot see everything inside. So let's lock it again, and let's do it without looking, okay, in the gold bars here. So first that you should do is know where is the position of the lever. So is it in the right or in the left? So in here, it is suitable in the left. Okay, it is not suitable with the right. So I will push it in here in the left. So automatically, the position of the lever or the metal stick is in the right. So technically, the gold bars is in the right. Okay? So now, start picking. Okay? While picking, you must ready to turn the lever. Okay, that's it. Without looking. So that's your technique, without looking, or if you cannot see the gold bars inside. So that's it. And if you have questions, and if you have another suggestion for another video, another lock picking session, then just comment it down below, and don't forget to subscribe and like, and hit the notification bell in order for you to be updated with our Hacker Academy videos. Okay, so thank you.